If you want your form to automatically focus on a specific field when the page loads, making it easier for users to start typing right away, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. To enable autofocus on your WPForms, you will need the PowerUps for WPForm add-on. Go to WPForms, Ultimate Add-ons and select the form in which you want autofocus. Navigate to the PowerUps panel and find the autofocus for WPForms field settings. Click on it. Enable the PowerUp and select the field you want to focus on when the page loads. If you have a multi-page form, check the option Focus First field on each form page to enable autofocus on every step. Save your settings and test your form in the front end. That's it. Your WPForms will now automatically focus on the selected field when user land on the page. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.